It's been a long time since I posted a video of my pepper gardens. We have expanded now. This year my wife wanted some, asked me if we could grow something besides hot peppers, so I said only if I could build 2 more beds. So these 2 new ones are in a much better spot. They're halfway through the yard and they get the most sun. These are Aji lemons, getting ready. Hopefully a couple more weeks they'll be ready to pick. And we got some I think serrano and jalapeno. A lot of jalapeno. These are hot Portugals, which have been doing really well this year. Sorry for the shadow. There's the habaneros. Been picking a little bit of them, but you can see they're starting to get ripe. Some more hot Portugal, jalapeno, Hungarian hot wax are coming in really well, and another batch of habanero. These were planted late. I think that might actually be a Bulgarian carrot down in there. The place I get my plants had a closeout sale and I bought a whole bunch of new ones, and it looks like they're going to produce, so that's pretty good. Not quite sure what's in there. These are just some bush beans, some eggplant, got some sun golds there. And here, I don't know which place I bought them, but I saw these Sugar Rush peach. Mine don't turn peach color, but they're like Aji lemons on steroids. They're very bushy, and hopefully the video catches. They're quite prolific. Been picking handfuls of those. There's a bunch more jalapenos, some habaneros back there, some more Hungarian hot wax, and that's pretty much the pepper patch this year. It's a very good year. This is the 3rd week of picking, and I've got so many already, and it looks like another batch going to be ready by Saturday. So just thought I'd show that I'm still doing my peppers. Thank you for watching.